namatay na po yung pamangkin ko, pero sobra pa po yung tinanggap niyang mga bash. Sobrang below the belt na po.
Meron po criminal action dyan kung gusto po na mga magmula.
Opo, at ginulpi pa yung pamangkin namin.
Kung gusto na magmula kailangan po
This time, Guanzon promised to help a grieving family who publicly shared a clip of their conversation. In a Facebook post, Ivan's sister, Sheila Rodriguez, thanked Guanzon for offering support. She said her younger brother had one final wish before he died, to hold accountable those who falsely accused him and those who physically hurt him, and now the spotlight widens.
Masyado pa kasi siyang bata eh. He doesn't deserve that kind of death. Pakasakit. Natanggap ko naman eh, kanya lang, it's so painful talaga, so painful. Hindi ko alam kung how will I explain the burden, the feeling.